black pepper, fish, tamarind, chickpea flour fried fritters, or black pepper, fish, tamarind, garbanzo beans flour fried fritters. One of the tastiest of the fish recipes found in one of the most delicious of the fish recipes and one of the most delicious of the seafood recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the tamarind recipes and one of the most unique of the chickpea flour recipes and one of the most delicious of the garbanzo beans recipes and one of the most unique of the Fritter Recipes, one of the most delicious of the seafood recipes. We are going to make fish, black pepper, onion, tamarind fritters. We have taken around 150 grams of chickpea flour, put in salt to taste, and a spoon of black pepper, put in a spoon of chili powder, put in a quarter spoon of turmeric powder, and 1 spoon of mixture of spices. Pour in 10 ml of tamarind water, into which 100 milligrams of 100 grams of tamarind has been squeezed in. And thoroughly apply the mixture and let the fish marinate in this mixture. Put in the fish pieces which we have made into more smaller pieces. Put in the chopped onion and the chopped cilantro leaves. Mix it in. Thoroughly mix. Ml of water. Mix. Now put in salt to taste. Put in a spoon of red chili powder. Put in a spoon of black pepper powder. Put in half a spoon of mixture spices. Thoroughly mix. Heat the pan and pour in 30 to 40 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Now put in the fish, chickpea flour, pepper mix. Let it fry. Turn it over. Let it fry. Let the mixture fry. Turn it over. Now take off the pan and drain the oil. Put it onto the plate. Do this with the rest of the fritters. Now put in next set. and let it fry. Let it fry by turning from side to side until all the fritters are nicely made. This is the final black pepper fish tamarind chickpea flour fried fritters. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the fish recipes and one of the most unique of the pepper recipes and one of the most delicious of the black pepper recipes and one of the most different of the chickpea recipes and one of the most unique of the garbanzo beans recipes and one of the most different of the fish recipes and one of the most unique of the seafood recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.